It's Bonnie. Happy Friday night. I got two videos for you guys rolling into Valentine's Day weekend. First video is going to be the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and then we're doing a Flashback Friday. I cannot wait for this one. It's going to be fun. So, I am part of the Ipsy Open Studios program, which means that Ipsy does send me both bags for free each month. The regular Ipsy bag is $13 and the Glam Bag Plus is now $28. These have gone up in price a little bit, but it seems like a lot of the subscription boxes are increasing prices just like everything else. This one is Ipsy Full Hearts. Check this out. And it's a Valentine's Day theme, which is pretty exciting because, oh my gosh, you guys, I love these bags. I got my Valentine's Day shirt on. How cute is this? This is adorable. So I'm going to do the little bag first. So this one has actually a couple things I'm seeing that I want. So, being mascara. I love my mascara. I love my minis. I got a Benefit Roller Lash. I actually love this mascara. I'm tossing my old mascara, and I'm going to replace it with Roller Lash this week. I got the, go to the Removalist. What is this? This is a Kale and Clay and Zinc mask. I'll use that. I like any type of clay mask. I got I got MAC Fix Plus. What is this? I don't know. I need fixed on a daily basis. What is this? I don't know. I got to read about this, but it's a MAC product, which is always good. I got a Gold Fatten MD Radical Difference Advanced Antioxidant Serum. These are a little bigger samples than Ipsy used to do, I feel like. I feel like they're up in their game as far as samples. And check it out. It looks like a full-size lipstick. Hide Your Heart. Let me open this up. It's always nice to get like a full-size product in the smaller Glam bag. Got paper on my finger. Oh, this is pretty. Check this out. This is actually really nice. That's a really nice like brick shade. It works, you guys. It works with the look I'm going for tonight. So that's good. And like I said, this is from Context. So that is the small bag, $13. And then we have the big bag. I gotta say, I say this every month. I love these drawstring bags. We use these for everything. I always carry stuff in them. So let me unpack my bag here. This one is $28. This one has got the, what is this? Fig Renewal Oil. Never used Fig Renewal Oil before. Oh, it's pretty. Check it out. Very Valentine's Day. Who makes this? This is by Biro. I've never heard of this brand before. Some of these brands I have not heard of in these, beauty boxes, which is good because then you get to try stuff out. I got the Yensa Pink Lotus Peptid Renewal Face Cream. This is by 8 Power Pink Essence. I'll try this. This is Korean Beauty, I believe. Yep. I always love the Korean Beauty products. They're always really good. I also got, is this a palette? Check it out. I think this is a palette. Let me open this up. I always fun to get a palette too. Lately, I've been kind of wanting to just swap out some of my palettes just for spring, just to get some new colors. Oh, this is really pretty, you guys. Holy moly. Check out these colors. These are really, really bold. Okay, let me just swatch one of these. I don't know about these. Not as pigmented on my arm as I would have expected. Let me try this maroon. It might just be the shade. This one's a lot better. Okay, this one's much, much better. Check this out. It might have just been the shade. The orange one, not as pigmented. And then there's like this really crazy glitter one that you could wear like over in a layer. But that is a really, really, oops, where is it? It's right here. That's a bold shade there. I will play around with this. This is actually really pretty. It's called Persephone Ditto. Again, some of these brands, I'm like, where the heck did these brands come from? Ditto Cosmetics. I've never heard of Ditto Cosmetics. Like I said, back in the 80s, we had like 5 cosmetics companies. We had Maybelline, we had Revlon, we had Clinique, we had Estee Lauder. There were more than 5, but that's what it felt like. Now, there's like thousands of companies. I did get Beauty for Real. What are these? Oh, these are, I think these are lip pencils. I always love a good lip pencil. I do when I'm, you know, taking my time to put my makeup on. I think one's an eye, one's a lip. I like to use a lip pencil only because you do get a lot. No, this is not, it's gotta be eye. This is pretty though. This is, it's called Heaven's Door. It's a really like, you're not gonna be able to see this on my hand. I don't know if you can see this. It's really sheer. It's actually really pretty though. These have got to be eye pencils. And then the other one is called Night Fever. You can probably see this one showing up. Yeah, that's like a black one. But they're not lip pencils. They're eye pencils. That's okay. I'll put these in my collection. It's funny, when you're a beauty blogger, you have like a lot of lip pencils and a lot of eye pencils, but it's all good. And then, of course, I got some brushes. I'm a brush connoisseur. I collect makeup brushes, and then, you know, if they get too icky, I tend to wash them out a lot. I will toss them as I get new ones in if I don't like them, or, you know, they become a little bit too old. But I do like a good makeup brush. So overall, not a bad Valentine's Day. I'm seeing some stuff I like here. I think my favorite things in this entire collection for Valentine's Day are the lipstick. Actually, I like the little bag a little bit better, I think. And the mascara. The lipstick and mascara, you know, that's all you need. Lipstick and mascara, and you're good. I'm not sure about the palette yet. I gotta, the verdict's still out on this. I gotta try the palette a little bit, and I have to do a little research into the skincare. But anyway, that is Ipsy for this month. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.